Know your rug, know your rug expert. Imagine walking into a series of spacious, bright showrooms full of thousands of beautiful rugs in all sizes, designs, and shapes. That's what you'll find here at the Persian Carpet. We are a purveyor of the finest and most diverse range of beautiful Oriental rugs in the Carolinas. Our spacious Durham, North Carolina retail showrooms feature an extensive inventory of more than 7,000 stunning rugs in a variety of styles, sizes, designs, colors, and textures. In addition to the antique Persian, Caucasian, and Turkish rugs that we are known for, we offer a spectacular selection of new handmade rugs in traditional, transitional, and contemporary designs. We have one room of our showroom devoted entirely to contemporary rugs and specialize in bringing in the most current offerings from the top rug designers in the world. You will also find our own collections of Craftsman, Southwestern, and Afghan rugs. We make an effort to provide difficult-to-find sizes such as runners, round, square, and oversized rugs. Our in-store staff of courteous, knowledgeable experts can answer any questions you have, from history to design to size selection to care and maintenance. Best of all, we enjoy the process start to finish. Nothing makes us happier than making people happy.